Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make my turmeric coconut rice. Okay, for this recipe I'm using 3 cups of rice and I'm just using the cup that comes with my rice cooker. Next, I'm going to wash my rice until the water runs clear. And I like washing it in a strainer like this because I don't have to worry about the rice going anywhere. Let me know in the comments, do you wash your rice or do you not wash your rice? I know some people do and some don't, but that's something I grew up doing and I still do it up to this day. I feel like I have to wash my rice. The first thing I'm adding to my rice is some coconut milk, and I'm just using a can of coconut milk, but I'm measuring it out because for every cup of rice I use 1 3/4 cup of liquid, so I'm just measuring out my coconut milk. They always say the ratio to cook rice is 1 to 2, but for me that doesn't work. My rice comes out too sticky, so I do 1 3/4 cup per cup of rice. And then the rest is going to be water. Just measure out your water. Next, I'm going to add ½ tablespoon of turmeric, or turmeric, it's pronounced either way, but as Belizeans we just say yellow ginger. And by the way, this yellow ginger came all the way from Belize. I'm also going to add 1½ teaspoons of salt. And the last thing I'm adding is 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. You don't need a lot, just a little bit, just a pinch. The reason I'm adding a little bit of black pepper in this recipe is because black pepper pairs very well with turmeric. It helps activate it, so it's good for inflammation, it's good for your joint, digestion, and just your overall wellness. If you want to know more, just go Google it and you'll find out. So, I'm not a doctor and I know it's hard to tell. Oh my gosh, I always make myself laugh, but just go Google it. There's a lot of good things, with turmeric, so just go find out all the things. I'm just going to put this on my white rice setting and let it do its thing. If you're interested in a rice cooker, I'm going to leave my link below for you so you can check it out. But I love this one. I use it all the time, and I even cook my rice and beans in it, so it cooks perfect rice and beans. My rice cooker takes somewhere between 30 to 40 minutes. I don't remember exactly. Okay, so now it's finished, and what I like to do is just go in there and give it a stir because you can see some of the coconut milk on top, so I just like to go in there and stir it and it will all go away. You won't see all that whiteness from the coconut milk in your rice. It will just melt in there. Growing up in Belize, I ate a lot of coconut milk rice. That's something we would always make at home, but we don't eat it with everything. Just like certain dishes, you eat coconut milk rice. But I decided that I was gonna make a good thing even better for you. So I added my turmeric and my black pepper. And oh my goodness, I think this is the only way I'm going to make rice now. And even if I don't put coconut milk, I'm going to make sure I add my turmeric to it because of all the health benefits. When I made this rice, I served it with my lemon garlic butter shrimp that is to die for. So if you want the recipe, I'm going to leave it linked below for you. And I also served it with some ripe fried plantain. Oh my gosh, that meal was good. You have to go check out the other recipe and make it because it's the best. As always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.